In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join a Condo Discord server safely and easily. Whether you're curious about how these servers work, trying to explore new communities, or you simply want to understand how to join any public server on Discord, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Discord app on your computer or mobile device. Once you're there, look on the left-hand side for the Discover option. This is where Discord showcases public communities you can explore. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on the Discover tab. You'll see a search bar at the top where you can look for different types of servers. Type in Condo and press Enter. You'll now see a list of servers related to your search. These communities often update quickly, so results may change from time to time. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually very user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged into the correct Discord account, ensure you haven't reached the maximum number of servers allowed, and always double-check the server description before joining. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you find the Condo server you want to join, go ahead and click on it. This will open a preview of the server where you can see information such as rules, member count, and what the server is about. After that, you should see a Join button at the top, sometimes labeled Join Condo or simply Join Server. Click it, and you'll instantly become a member. It's also a good idea to review the server rules as soon as you join. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your account safe. Some servers require accepting rules before you can chat, so don't skip this part. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to join a Condo Discord server easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be trying to figure out the same thing. Why not make someone's day easier?